Hi everyone. Now we are going to present our presentation on smart agriculture. First of all, I will tell you what is the content of our presentation. First one is what is smart agriculture. Now, second one is importance of smart agriculture, and third one is SWOT analysis, and next smart agriculture technologies and applications, and finally future of smart agriculture. Now I will introduce the what is smart agriculture. Simply, smart agriculture is a revolution in the agriculture industry that helps to guide action, require, modify, and reorient agriculture systems, and it effectively support the development, guarantee food security during ever changing climate. The main focus of approach in smart agriculture is to increase agriculture productivity and incomes. Macam padangan.
Okay, let's talk about the importance of smart agriculture. First one is the increased production. Optimized crop treatment such as agriculture, planting, watering, pesticide application, and harvesting directly affect production rates. Next one, water conservation. Weather predicted and soil moisture sensor allow for water use only when and where needed. Then real-time data and production insight. Farmers can visualize production level, soil moisture, sunlight intensity, and more in real time and remotely to accelerate decision making process. Next one is the lower operation cost. Automating processing, planting, treatment, and harvesting can reduce resource consumption, human error, and overall cost. Next, increase quality of production. Analyzing production quality and resulting correlation to treatment can teach farmers to adjust process to increase quality of the product. Next one, accurate farm and field evaluation. Accurately tracking production rates by field over time allows for detailed predicting of future crop yield and value of a farm. Next one, improved livestock farming. Sensor and machine can be used to detect reproduction and health events earlier in animals. Geofencing location tracking can also improve livestock monitoring and management. Next one, reduce environmental footprint. There are all the conservation efforts such as water usage and increased production per land unit directly affect the environment footprint positively. Last one, remote monitoring. Local and commercial farmers can monitor multiple fields in multiple locations around the global from an internet connection. Decision can be made in real time and from anywhere. Next one.
Okay. Now let's see SWOT analysis of smart agriculture. By now, we know about SWOT analysis. There are strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Now let's see one by one, including smart agriculture. First one is strengths. Smart agriculture is very practical and easy to use. And also smart agriculture we can use commercially and private and environmentally friendly. Next one is weaknesses. At the smart agriculture, we do not experience in business and battery based and first trade. Next one is opportunities. For smart agriculture, we have big market and expansion. Last one is threats. What are the threats? There are low consumer awareness and low cash flow and high risk. After that, now let's see technologies in smart agriculture. There are information technology, nanotechnology, GPS technology, soil and water sensors, mini chromo technology, smart farming technology, and agricultural robots.
Right, okay. Now we are going to discuss on application of smart agriculture using IoT. There are different ways of implementing smart agriculture using IoT. First one is precision farming. Most famous application of smart farming using IoT is precision farming. It is the practice of making agriculture process more accurate and controlled for rearing livestock and crop growing. The main components are the IT system, sensors, control system, automated hardware, and autonomous vehicle, among others. IoT improves a lot of service such as livestock monitoring, soil moisture probes, inventory monitoring, and tracking of vehicles, among others. Then agricultural drones used to improve many agricultural practice in smart farming using IoT. There are two types of agricultural drones, the surface-based drone and aerial-based, used to collect multispectral thermal and visual imaging data that provide the farmers with a wide array of metrics such as plant health, plant count, and expected yield, soil nitrogen and moisture content, drainage mapping, and canopy covering mapping. And third one is livestock monitoring. It enables farmers to monitor the conditions and activities of their animals, such as movements, eating habits, weight, and reproductive cycles, among others. Involves animals wearable that connect to the gateway using a low cost and low bandwidth technology to transmit data to the cloud. The wearable content sensor that monitor aspects such as blood pressure, respiration, heart rate, body temperature, and digestion, among others. The last one is smart greenhouse. A smart greenhouse, the use of IoT system by monitoring and controlling aspects such as temperature, soil and mineral content, and humidity. The actuators and control automatically to control the conditions by performing actions like opening window, turning on the lights, and controlling the heater and fan, among others. It also helps in reducing wastage by monitoring moisture content. It maintains a balance that is best for crop growth. The last one is what will happen in smart agriculture in future. Smart farming and IoT driven agriculture paving the way for what can be called a third grain revolution. In the future, the smart farming revolution, pesticide and fertilizer use will drop while overall efficiency will rise. So therefore, smart farming has a real potential to deliver a more productive and sustainable form of agriculture production based on a more precise and resource efficient approach. New farmers will finally realize the eternal dream of mankind. It will feed our population, which may explode to 9.6 billion by 2020. Thank you.